Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a cryptocurrency exchange that I've been using to buy, sell, trade, and yes, even lend small cap cryptocurrency coins that you cannot find on other exchanges. But before we do that, before we jump into that exchange, I would appreciate if you would subscribe and like the videos. Everyone thinks they missed the boat when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum. As we all know, Bitcoin is trading in the 60,000s and Ethereum is trading, I believe, being somewhere in the range of $4,300. And everyone is looking for that next crypto gem that could potentially do a 10, 15, 20, or even 30x from this point on. But the issue that people find and the issue that people face are that they cannot find those crypto exchanges, crypto gems on exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance USA. I do use a Coinbase myself, but sometimes it is hard to find those small cap cryptocurrency coins on exchanges such as Coinbase. So people always look for new exchanges to find those coins. The exchange that I have been using for the past 4 years has been KuCoin. Please keep in mind that this video is not sponsored by KuCoin. I'm just sharing my go-to exchange when it comes to us finding that small cap crypto coin. KuCoin has been around for many years and it is so easy to use. It is so easy to sign up. The process of signing up only takes literally 10 seconds. And all it requires is an email and a password. The customer service of KuCoin has been great and very responsive. And as a matter of fact, 1 in 4 cryptocurrency holders worldwide use KuCoin as their go-to exchange. As we see down here, KuCoin is desktop and mobile friendly. Sometimes you need to use that certain exchange on the go. Sometimes you don't have access to a desktop. KuCoin is an exchange that support both iOS and Android devices. When it comes to signing up, if we come down here, like I mentioned, sign up, click here. It only takes 10 seconds. Email, password, and you are in. KuCoin offers close to 80% of crypto coins that are in existence. KuCoin Exchange offers multiple services, such as buying, selling, trading, borrowing, and even lending your cryptocurrencies. As we see down here, their products, spot trading, margin trading, contract futures, pool X, lending, and trading bot. They have something called a trading bot. And if you are looking for the next Shiba Inu coin or Dogecoin, KuCoin could be the exchange, depending if you like KuCoin or something else. But KuCoin is very nice exchange that's been around for a very long time, and I've been a happy customer of them, and I trust them a little bit. Well, more than a little bit. When you sign up for KuCoin, you might be eligible to receive a small reward. KuCoin runs promotions for new users, but just keep in mind, you should always do your own research before you jump into anything that involves cryptocurrencies. As we all know, cryptocurrencies are very volatile, and you can lose a lot of money, especially when you're chasing those small cap crypto gems. I always use a VPN. That's another layer of protection that I suggest when it comes to cryptocurrencies or anything you do online these days. And that's not just for KuCoin, that's for anything that you do in crypto. Use a VPN. I am personally not a hodler or holder, or some might say, of any small coins. But I believe if you are someone that holds certain coins for longer periods of time, you should utilize platforms such as KuCoin that can pay you a small interest, a small percentage for holding your coins, either by holding them or by lending them. And the way you would do that, you can lend your coins with KuCoin. KuCoin does a lending service that pays you a small interest. You lend your coins for either 7 days, 14 days, or even 28 days. And this is applicable for coins such as USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, and many others. As we'll see when we log into KuCoin, we'll go a little bit more in depth when it comes to that. It's important to know when you lend your cryptocurrencies, it is in your possession. Keep in mind, whenever you do a lend, those coins are in your possession and they're in your account. You're not giving them to anyone else. They're always in your possession, but KuCoin, through their lending services, they'll pay you a small percentage. I personally don't use any lending services, but I do buy and sell those small cap coins I can potentially make a profit on. I would buy a certain coin, wait for moves that go up 20–30%, and I will sell them into something else. I never keep big amounts when it comes to any exchange, but that does not mean that I don't utilize exchanges like this, and especially those small cap gems where I can flip them for a quick profit. When you first log into KuCoin, as we see here, you have something, when you first log into your account, you can see you have something called a main account and a trading account. And always fund your main account first. So whenever you do funding, it goes through your main account. As we see right here, depositing and withdrawing is done through main account. Whenever you want to buy or sell or even trade coins, you need to transfer your funds into trading account. As we see right here, there's something called a trading account. If we click on trading account, basically it'll show you some of the coins that I have. The transfers between the two accounts, it's instant and there is no charge for that. You can transfer back and forth as much as you like. And the way you transfer between these two accounts is so simple. All you do is basically click here, transfer. In this instance, I'm transferring from trading to main. In your instance, if you first join KuCoin and you fund your account, your money will be in a main account. So in your instance will be opposite, from main to trading. XRP here, select, confirm, boom. That's all there is. If we go back to main account, we see our XRP is here. If I want to trade it back, I want to withdraw this XRP, you will use the withdraw button. If I want to trade it or trade in something else, transferring from main account to trading account, coin, XRP, how much, everything, confirm. That's all there is when it comes to switching from one coin to another. Also, it's good to point out, it's good to hold their native token, KuCoin native token. For a reason being is whenever you perform trading on XRP or any other, let's see, XRP, USDT, it will charge you a little bit of gas fee. And if you are a holder of their native token, basically that gas fee will be paid through that token. So that's always a fun fact to know when it comes to using KuCoin. When you need to withdraw your money, you need to transfer your money into main account from your trading account in order to withdraw. So funding and withdrawing, as we see here, is done from your main account. Buying, selling, trading is done from your trading account. As we see here, KuCoin has many different coins. If we scroll down, they're all in alphabetical orders. And basically, there is almost no coin listed out there that you can't find on KuCoin. Like I mentioned earlier, close to 75–80% coins in existence that you can find, KuCoin has those coins. Many different coins. I've been a happy customer of KuCoin for many years. And if you come here to assets. It will show you basically all the assets that you have and all the assets that you hold. And more importantly, if you're someone that would like to lend your cryptocurrency for small interest, you can always click lend and it will show you the percentages of what you could earn for lending your cryptocurrency. If we come down here, hit lend, as we see right here, lend. Many different coins, USDT, BTC, Ethereum, EOS, ADA, Dash, Zcash, XLM, BETH. You can play with the calculator down here and you can basically estimate your potential interest. When you can select, let's see if I was about to lend $1,000 of USDT coin, duration 7 days. Okay. So as we see right here, this will be the annualized rate for lending $1,000 for 7 days. This will be your daily interest. So for me lending $1,000 for 7 days, I would potentially earn somewhere in 553 range. If we go to 14 days, then it'll give me $11. If you go to 28 days, I will potentially earn, for lending that $1,000, $22 in USDT. That basically tells you, you can come and even do Bitcoin. It'll tell you the rates. One important thing to know when it comes to the rates do fluctuate. The bigger the price of Bitcoin is, the higher the rates are. If the price of Bitcoin goes down, they pay the rates. Obviously, USDT coin pays the most. Bitcoin pays the least. And look at Ethereum. It only pays you 1.46% a day. Basically, that concludes this KuCoin exchange. Use the link in the description if you'd like to try KuCoin as your exchange. Just one thing, do not dig too hard for gems that do not exist. Sometimes those gems do not exist. Everyone wants to find the next Shiba Inu coin and that Doge coin that went up thousands and thousands of %. But sometimes it's just better to stick with something that works. Something that works for me, a big cap. They'll be here today, tomorrow, the year after that, and the year after that. The only two coins that I hold is Bitcoin and Ethereum, the small portions. Most of you know I'm a trader. I trade my crypto, but I only hold the big cap. My closing thoughts. Hey, if you're a hodler, you believe in holding certain projects, maybe you should use these exchanges into your advantage, because you can earn some interest using these exchanges. That does not necessarily have to be KuCoin. You can be any other exchange. I'm just showing you the exchange that I've been using for such a long time. But just please keep in mind, sometimes doing nothing is the best answer. That's my opinion. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.